So the liver is about anger, and there's a sound that you can make which will stimulate the liver and just help to balance it again. And that sound is just like you would say to somebody quietly, or to a baby. You would say, you can make it a little bit, so you can go a little bit louder, you can go and if you get it right, your liver's here on the right hand side, you can just kind of feel it start to vibrate. The liver also opens to the eyes, so one of the things that sometimes actually helps with the sound is to open your eyes wide. So you go shoo, shoo. Have fun with that.